You clicked on this video cause you wanted to learn how to reverse videos, right? Either you've seen them on trailer intros, bloopers, playback reels or boomerangs on Instagram. They're a cool way to make amazing VFX and sell your comedic effect simply. Hey guys, my name's Audrey and you're watching Infovids. And today I'll be teaching you how you can do exactly that, reversing videos with just one click in Wondershare Filmora. However, I bet you're wondering why reversing videos is such a big deal, or why people would be interested in doing this in the first place. You can use this effect to grab your audience's attention in a matter of seconds. Reversing videos is such an amazing effect that it'll make you look like a professional. Not only does it help you to grab attention, but it can also help you to create illusions and magic tricks. These kind of reverse videos are popular in videos for blogs, such as this video made for a food blog. Interesting, right? So what are we waiting for? Let's begin. Right now we are in Filmora. I've got my clips imported and dragged onto the timeline. My timeline might look a little awkward now, and here's why. What I've done here is that I've dragged and dropped all my videos one by one and copied that video one after another. When you play it, if you've done this right, you should see your corresponding video playing twice. Now let's reverse the clips. Select your second video and then click on the little compass icon on the ribbon. Once you do this, you'll see a drop-down box. Select reverse and now your clip will be reversed. Do this for the other clips and you'll see some similarities with the boomerang effect on Instagram. Taking this to mind, you can always create your own boomerangs this way without having to use Instagram's interface to do so. If you want the proper aspect ratio, then you can easily change it by doing these steps. Click on the project settings icon on the ribbon right next to the camera icon. Then click on the change project aspect ratio. You'll be able to change from widescreen, portrait, Instagram. In this case, we'd want to choose Instagram. Click OK and now you'll see that Filmora scales your video down, and now it's a 1:1 ratio. If you want your video to fill the whole canvas and not have those bars in the way, you can always scale your video and position it properly. If you don't like that option, then go to the Effects tab and then select Basic Blur. Drag and drop that above your clips and the black bars will have been filled out for you. With Filmora, reversing videos has never been effortless. Filmora allows you to reverse it with just one click. Are you going to try out reversing a video on your own? If so, then please, we would love to see it. Send it to us in the comment section down below. Also, if you have a lesson idea, suggestion or question, ask away. Your happiness is our pursuit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on anything Infovids has to offer. We upload videos on a regular basis, and all our videos and resources here on this channel are completely free, and the content you will find here is amazing and mind-blowing. You'll be sure to learn a lot. With all this said, I assure you that we'll have an amazing tutorial for you in the next